Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Cuvva temporary car insurance. Cuvva temporary car insurance offers short-term car insurance policies, perfect for those needing cover for a specific period, like borrowing a friend's car or driving a rental vehicle for a short trip. It's aimed at individuals needing flexible and temporary insurance solutions, avoiding the commitment of a long-term policy. Key features include quick online quotes and policy purchase. Their website provides details on coverage options and pricing. Cuvva positions itself as a convenient and affordable option for temporary car insurance. Their website emphasizes ease of use and price transparency, no hidden fees and no contracts. The process is entirely online, making it quick and accessible. You simply enter your details and the dates you need coverage, and you get an instant quote. Availability is nationwide in the UK, and you can easily check eligibility on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Cuvva. Getting started was a breeze. The entire sign-up process took less than 10 minutes. I just needed to input my driving license details, vehicle information, and the dates I needed coverage. The interface was clean and intuitive, everything was clearly laid out and easy to understand. I received my policy documents instantly via email, which was incredibly convenient. The pricing was exactly as quoted, which I appreciated. I was really impressed by how straightforward the whole process was. The standout feature for me was definitely the speed and efficiency. One minor drawback was the lack of a 24/7 customer support phone line. However, I did have a quick question about my policy, and their email support responded promptly within 24 hours. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Cuvva. It's a hassle-free solution for short-term car insurance needs, and I would definitely use it again. That's my overview of Cuvva temporary car insurance. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.